Hey New Build Show, I'm Millie and today's tour is going to be a little bit different from usual and I'm so excited to tell you more. So let's get started. So today we're in Little Dunham, Norfolk, and we're going to be exploring this beautiful 4-bedroom detached home behind me. But this tour is very unique because all of you watching at home actually have the chance to win this house for as little as £1.99, along with a brand new BMW M3 Touring. All you need to do is enter the prize draw through 7 days performance, which is super easy, and all of the information will be in the description below. Now, there are also cash prize alternatives, which I'm going to break down for you throughout this tour, but for now, let's head on inside and see what you could win. Welcome inside. Now, the first thing I noticed is how tall, I'm sure you can see, the ceilings are, which makes it feel really grand and spacious in here. Now, on this floor, we have a study just in front of me, a very handy downstairs toilet, and then on the flooring in here, we have this luxury vinyl flooring, which looks gorgeous. And this continues into your open plan kitchen, living and dining area. So let's go and check it out. Wow, what an incredible kitchen this is. It is so spacious in here. On the island, we have these lovely quartz worktops, which are also on these worktops too. And there is so much space. You could definitely cook some lovely meals in this kitchen. Another great thing is all of the appliances are integrated. So we've got the Bosch oven, double oven over here. And then we also have an induction hob, which I love these. Now, on the cabinetry, we have this beautiful green, like a forest green color. And there is so much storage, like all of these cupboards. Over here, plenty of storage. And then over here we have your sink, and it even comes with a cooker tap, which is an essential. So over here we have bin storage, handy. We've got more storage down in these cupboards too, and you even have an integrated dishwasher, which again just helps it look super sleek. Dishwasher over here. Now, the lighting as well is gorgeous in here. So we have these nice down lights above the island, and then we also have the strip lights underneath the cabinetry, which create that nice ambience, especially in the evening. Now let's head over and check out the dining space. Your dining table sits 6 people, which is plenty of space for a 4-bedroom house. But I mean, if you did have a bigger family, you could definitely fit a larger table in here. I love the way they've positioned this right in front of those nice big bifold doors, so you have a lovely view when you're having your dinner. Now, also in the kitchen, we have a utility room. So let's go and have a little look. Now, more often than not, utility rooms don't actually have that much space, but this one is very spacious. We have lots of room to maneuver, so you can do your jobs like your washing. We have an integrated washer and dryer in here. And this is also probably going to be a place that you hide the stuff you don't want on show in your kitchen. But the great thing about this utility room is it's actually just as aesthetic as the kitchen anyways. So we have the same worktops in here as we did in the kitchen and the same gorgeous green cabinetry. Another great thing is there is so much storage. So we've got more storage here underneath the sink. So personally, I'd pop my cleaning supplies in there. And then we also have another very large storage cupboard over here, and you'll see a lot of storage throughout this tour. Now we have 2 sets of bifold doors, so one here leading out from your open plan kitchen and one over here leading out from your lounge. And what an amazing space this is. It is so spacious. So we have this lovely terrace area, we have a big lawn and uninterrupted views over there as well. This garden is also west facing, so you're going to get some pretty incredible sunsets. I mean, I could definitely see myself sat here with a nice glass of wine in the evening. As I mentioned earlier, there are some very nice cash prize alternatives in this prize draw. So let me break them down for you. 4 different options. Option number 1, you keep both of the prizes, so you're walking away with a brand new house and car. Option number 2, you want to keep the house, a great way to get on the property ladder. No stamp duty, no solicitor fees, and absolutely everything comes included. But the car might not be so practical. So you'd rather have the cash price alternative, which is £50,000. So you're walking away with a brand new house plus £50,000 in cash. Option number 3, you may have always wanted a BMW M3 Touring. Don't blame you, it's a lovely car. But you'd rather have the cash price alternative for the house, which is £550,000. So you're walking away with a brand new car and £550,000 in cash. Option number 4, you might just want the cash. You can choose to walk away with £600,000. That's not bad for a £1.99 entry. Now that we're back inside, as you can tell, we have switched to carpet, which feels a lot softer on your feet and very cozy in here, which is exactly what you want in your lounge. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you were to win this house, you get absolutely everything included that you've seen in this tour so far. So I'm talking the rug, I'm talking the plant over there, the ornaments, even the blanket will be yours if you were to win this house. And I have a fun game, which is going to be more fun because you guys could actually win this house. What would you do to it? Would you keep it the same? Would you change anything? Let us know in the comments below because I'm intrigued. Coming out of your lounge, back through the entrance hallway, I want to take you to see the home office. Now, this is a very versatile room, so if you do work from home, ideal, you'd keep it as it is. We've got carpet in here though, so it could be a couple of different things. We could have it as a playroom if you have little ones, or even a cozy little snug. The choice is yours, but a great size room nonetheless. As I mentioned at the start of the tour, we have 4 bedrooms in this home, so let's start this way. Into bedroom number 1. Now we have carpet up here, as with all of the bedrooms, which is nice. It feels more cozy in your room, and we have lots of natural light coming in. So nice big double windows here, looking out at that gorgeous view. Very spacious double bed here, and plenty of storage options as well. So both of these cupboards here are storage, so you can have a nice big rail up there and plenty of room for your clothes and shoes. This is one of the more spacious bedrooms, so it does come with an ensuite where you have a very large shower and also beautiful tiling throughout. Bedroom number 2 has been set up as a child's room, but again, it's a great space. You could have this as a double bedroom, or if you do have a younger child, it'd be great for them to grow into. You could definitely fit a double bed in here. Another thing that I've just noticed, looking over here at the sockets, you actually have USB ports as well, which very handy. So before we go and check out the next bedroom, just as I'm walking past, we actually have another very handy storage cupboard in here. So I was thinking this would be great for your suitcases or just anything you don't really want on show. But follow me through to the next bedroom. We also have a very spacious landing here. I love this chandelier, and also that this has got glass on here. It feels very, very luxury. Follow me through into here. This is another very spacious bedroom. This is slightly bigger than the other one. Let's come and have a look. Again, we have the nice big double windows, and that is a beautiful view just looking at greenery. Nice big spacious double bed, and remember, you even get, I love these cushions, you get them included. Everything in this room is included if you were to win this house. Over here, again, I have mentioned before, storage is absolutely key. Look at that. It's basically like a walk-in wardrobe in here. I can actually even fit in it. So just in front of me is a master suite, and I'm so excited to show you that because it's very special. But first of all, just behind me is a family bathroom. So those 2 bedrooms that you've just seen would share this, and it's a great size for a couple of people to be using it. Nice big bath and a lovely big shower too. Now, you might have been weighing up your options throughout the tour so far, cash prize or house, but for me personally, this is what would sway me towards keeping this house. I love this bedroom. First of all, it is absolutely huge. We have this lovely big double bed. We even have space for a seating area over here, which is gorgeous, and a real sun trap. We have a vanity section over here, but let me show you this balcony because this is the best part. The view out here is absolutely incredible. It's completely uninterrupted and it feels really private. Definitely a great place to have your morning coffee looking out at that view. Back inside, and the tour of the master suite is not finished yet, so follow me through here. We have this very spacious corridor, and we actually have 2 little areas either side of me here, and you can actually have these as seating areas. They've got a little cushion over here, and a great use of space because all along here is storage. I mean, you really would, wow, these are really, really quite big. I haven't actually looked in these yet. They are very spacious, and they even go all the other way to the other side. So you have loads of room. Again, you could have railings up here, all your shoes, your bags on display. This could look very, very nice. And of course, you get your own ensuite bathroom. So we have this very large shower in the middle, and just behind it, those lovely nature-inspired tiles. Now, it's a great size in here. There's plenty of space to move around. And also on the worktops, lots of space for all of your products and dual sinks as well. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tour. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm so excited that one of you could be winning both this house and car. For more information on how to enter, check out the description box below. And remember, for £1.99, the house and car could be yours. We'll see you in the next one. Hey New Build Show, today we're exploring a brand new development by Northstone, a leading developer here in the Northwest known for design-led and sustainable communities that adapt to the way that you live.